Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can make PlayStation 5 account primary. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to make your PlayStation 5 account your primary account and allow anyone who plays on this PlayStation 5 to play your games that you have on your account or benefits from PlayStation Plus, just go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here. Right here, you're gonna find all of your settings. Here, you're gonna find accessibility, networks, users and accounts, and so on. Click on users and accounts. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. As you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here, you're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, and some other options right here. Here, you're gonna find your login settings, and lastly, the option to delete users. So right now, go ahead and click on other. And then here, you're gonna find console sharing and offline play, resold licenses, and lastly, sign in. Go ahead and click on console sharing and offline play. Basically guys, this option will let you share your games with other players on this PlayStation 5. So basically guys, as you can see right now, I already enabled this option. If you want to disable, you can click on disable here. And if you didn't enable it yet, you're gonna find the option to enable it right here. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.